Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Whop community, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Google Analytics to your Whop community? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Google Analytics to Whop anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know it's important to keep your user data, and by attaching your Google Analytics to your Whop, you can help track them even further. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Whop account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Whop account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link or connect your Google Analytics to your Whop community, you want to click on dashboard here on the left. It looks like a rocket. Okay, before we go any further, this is assuming you have your Google Analytics code. If you need help finding your Google Analytics code, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But once you have that Google Analytics code, you're going to end up here. And in order to link it to your Whop community here on the top line, you're going to look for this button here called settings over here on the right. Okay, once you click there, you're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see the section here called analytics. And inside here, you can see there's 8 different boxes, but you want to look for this one, Google Analytics ID. You're going to go ahead and paste it into this purple box, and then you want to click on save. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Google Analytics to your Whop community, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.